In this session, you're going to be understanding the difference between fiction and non-fiction. So if we start with fiction, we know the stories and writing that is made up is fiction. It's things that are not based on real things. And non-fiction are often based on facts, so things like information texts and instructions. Let's have a look at our task for today. So on your piece of paper, it says cut out the answers provided on the next sheet and stick them into the correct side of the table depending on whether they are a feature of fiction or non-fiction. If you do not have scissors and glue, you can simply write the answers in the correct side of the table. So for this, all you have to do is read the captions and then decide whether you would find those things in a fiction book, things like stories, or a non-fiction book, things like information textbooks. Let's have a look. So my first one here are illustrations. Illustrations are drawings that people have drawn. They're not photographs, they're not diagrams, they're just pictures. Do you think you'll find that in fiction or non-fiction? I think you find them in fiction books, in storybooks. My next one, a book about real life. So about real life, about real things that are happening. Is that fiction made up or non-fiction information? Well, if it's about real life, it can't be made up, so it must go in the non-fiction section. So therefore, that helps with my next one. A story that has been made up. Well, if it's being made up and it's not real, it can't be about real life. So this one must go over here in the fiction column. My last one says true facts. Facts are pieces of information, so therefore I know that goes in my non-fiction column. Have a go at the rest of them and see how you get on.